Hyderabad has seen tremendous growth in the last decade due to the development of the IT, ITES, and BPO sectors. This city is quickly becoming a hub for business and culture such as IKEA, which is one of the largest furnishing companies in the world. The financial district is not just the IT corridor of Hyderabad but also has one of the top business schools in India, ISB Indian School of Business. Recent infrastructure developments in the city have made it easier for people to get around and have improved the quality of life in the area. One of the major locations is Nankaramguda, which has the world's biggest Amazon and Microsoft data centers. We also have huge business parks such as WTC, Waverock, the biggest campus of ICICI Bank, and many more co-working spaces. This Nankaramguda circle connects to the ORR, which makes it very easy to commute from the city to the airport without any hassle. Along with business parks and IT hubs, Gachibowli and Financial District has some of the most premium high-rise apartments and luxury villas here. Hyderabad is home to major companies like Wipro, which has provided jobs and increased wealth to the city's economy. With the development of several commercial real estate projects such as GA, Neopolis, TCS Campus, Wipro Circle, and ORR, Hyderabad has seen a huge rise in the overall growth of the city. This 8-lane ORR connects the financial district to Kollur in 15 minutes, providing quick access to several schools and universities including Sumashti International School, DPS, ICFAI University, MGIT, and CBIT. Our site is situated in a desirable residential area between these two exits, making it simpler for families to commute to work or to send their kids to school or college. With a wide range of housing options available, West Hyderabad is becoming a preferred destination for those looking to purchase a home. Today, West Hyderabad is a thriving metropolis that is constantly evolving to meet the needs of its residents. From its rich cultural heritage to its modern infrastructure, it is no wonder why this part of the city is so beloved. There is a proposed 100 feet road passing right from the entrance of our site, connecting it directly to the Wipro Circle. These developments have attracted investors and home buyers alike. Presenting you Imperia Villas by Hallmark, a villa life like no other that has 427.75 SQYDS villas with 50 to 55 SFT built-up area, an ongoing project with east and west facing 131 villas and a 27,000 square feet clubhouse located nearby Financial District, an IT hub close to ORR, international schools like Blue Block School which is only a few meters away from Hallmark Imperia Villas. A luxury gated community villa project featuring a comprehensive range of outdoor and indoor amenities developed specifically for you and your family. Amenities: swimming pool, tennis, basketball court, cricket practice net, yoga and meditation deck, children's play area, elderly seating area, open air amphitheater, clubhouse, AC gym, aerobics, multipurpose hall, indoor badminton court, library, home theatre, billiards and table tennis, board games, guest rooms, provision for barbecue, reception, lobby, right. Beside Imperia Villas is another project by Hallmark called Hallmark County. A stunning, opulent gated community villa project designed to improve your lifestyle. With 171 villas scattered across 21 acres, as well as a large 23,000 square feet clubhouse. Possession started. So, if you're looking for a place to call home, this is the perfect place to invest.